Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we're going to see how Pandora FMS is able to dynamically monitor disks on our Windows computers. Pandora FMS offers the possibility of dynamically monitoring disks in Windows thanks to the use of two agent plugins. df_% used to obtain the free space on the disks present in the device to be monitored, and df_% used to obtain the occupied space on the disks present in the device to be monitored. The agent plugins are executed by Pandora FMS software agent. So to use them, it will be necessary to install this small component on the computers that you wish to monitor. If you haven't installed any agent in your environment yet, in this channel you can find some videos that will guide you to install them on both Windows and Linux computers. Once the agent is installed, the default location of the plugins on our computer with Windows operating system will be as follows: C:/program files /Pandora_agent/util. That will be the route that we will have to take into account when creating our agent plugin modules. Here we already find several that we can use, and among them the two covered by this tutorial. The use of this type of plugins is simple. Just add the desired plugin in the agent management menu in the tab Plugins. You will have to indicate the script that will execute the corresponding plugin and add it to the list of agent plugins so that it can be executed and collect the desired information. If you want to obtain the space used on the disks of the device to be monitored, execute the following line that you already see in the plugins section. If, on the other hand, what you want is to see the free space on the device's disks, the script will be the following. Copy the one that is already running and remove the final part, where it says Used. By default, when installing the agent, the first option is already executed, so if you want to obtain the free space, add the last statement as we have done in this example. Once done, Pandora FMS will show you the space data of the disks present in your computers. Next, run a test to check the plugin's performance when adding new disks. What we're going to do is add a removable hard disk to one of the USB ports of our PC that we're monitoring with the software agent and wait for the agent's time interval to go by to check how data are collected. You can see that until now we were shown the data of the existing disks, but now we can see how the plugin has detected this new disk unit and has incorporated it into monitoring with its own module. If the added hard disk is at the warning or critical thresholds that are marked by default for this module, you can see that the status will change, and if you also have an alert associated with it, you will receive the warning. If you remove the hard drive from the USB, you may see how Pandora FMS tells you that the metrics corresponding to the measurement of disk space go into an unknown state when they cannot be found. As you can see, monitoring your computer's disks is very simple, and you can be alerted at any time in case you run out of space in any of them. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, smile, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.